1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
Ito na po yung product na nakuha ko. I would say maganda po siya. Very budget friendly. Noong una, may kaproblema na ako kasi medyo laggy siya. Like, sa mga nababasa ko sa mga comments. Pero nung trinay ko siyang i-convert into Windows 11,
suggestions so you can say what you mean faster. Powered by over 1 billion user interactions, we're really Hey, just a reminder, no one prepared you for what you were going to go through. There was no way you could have been prepared. And you still handled